Good afternoon. Thank you for staying with News Desk. My name is Kelly Boss. I'm here to update you on matters business. Now, the power demand for Kenyans is always rising, and our source of power is usually green energy, geothermal, and the stuff like those. And the reason why power is rising is because we are developing as a country. Now, the Kenya Electricity Generating Company, that is KenGen, is seeking an extra 200 megawatts from wind power in Marsabit County as part of meeting the rising electricity demand in the country. Now, the company has already embarked on feasibility studies in the region as government gears towards fully phasing out geothermal power in the next 5 years. That's thermal power, I beg your pardon. This came in the wake of reports by the Ministry of Energy that the country's annual power demand was rising between 100 and 120 megawatts every year. According to KenGen Managing Director, Engineer Peter Njenga, the country's power demand was on the rise, with hydro and geothermal leading in production.
We are currently carrying out some studies in Marsabit, and we believe that for the first phase, we can get 200 megawatts of wind from Marsabit. We are working closely with our sister organization, Geothermal Development Company, where we have the first right of refusal for the steam that they drill. And they are very active in Menengai, and we have agreed that the next 20 megawatts that they are going to get from Menengai, it is us as KenGen who are going to develop the power plant to generate 200 megawatts from Menengai. And we are looking forward, perhaps in the next 10 years, to ensure that we have 100% green energy in our system.
So ours is to support KenGen, especially on advocacy for green energy and through inspection of our motor vehicles to make sure that we have safer vehicles on our roads, registration of electric motorbikes and motor vehicles which have zero emissions, and also to advocate for improved traffic management to reduce traffic volumes in our roads, which means that we'll have less emissions. And these are things that we are going to work hand in hand going forward.
Stakeholders in real estate from across the country were rewarded for their performances in